The Joint Action Committee, comprising of the Janta Hills Truck Owners Association, Janta Hills Clinkers and Cement Association along with the Meghalaya Truckers Union, in a general meeting today, held at the 8th Mile Jowai, joined together as one voice to hold an indefinite strike from the 5th of November 2020 over the new price list of the cement factories, which was to be implemented by the Transport Department of the state but till now remains pending. The JAC have also submitted a letter to the Deputy Commissioner of the East Janta Hills District on 20th October, and from his side, he has given the order in his letter on the 21st October to all the cement factories to implement the price list given by the government. After observing that the cement factories did not pay heed to the price list issued by the government on the 25th September 2020 through a notification, the JAC once again had no choice but to hold an indefinite strike to oppose all the cement factories till the implementation of the new price list. The JAC put forth an ardent request to all the truck owners and the public to stand united as one to support this decision for the betterment of the public.